Welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show. Okay, some news. Crypto.com files for National Bank Charter following Circle, Stripe and Coinbase. We're going to talk about this. Crypto exchange Crypto.com has filed a National Trust Bank Charter application with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency Comptroller, the OCC. The firm announced on Friday the application puts the firm on a growing list of crypto companies like USDC, issuer Circle, crypto exchange Coinbase, and Bridge, the stablecoin arm of private payment company Stripe, which have also sought the National Bank Charter. See what's going on? Like crypto exchanges are starting to turn into banks. That's the trend that I'm seeing. Building the Crypto.com products and services portfolio through regulated and secure offerings has been our focus since day one, said Crypto.com co-founder and CEO Chris Mazalik. In a statement, we are excited to take the next step by filing for a National Trust Bank Charter and look forward to continuing to pursue opportunities to provide customers with the trusted services they require. If approved, the charter would strengthen Crypto.com's case as the custody service destination of choice, the firm said. Crypto Firms has been filing for National Trust Bank charters since earlier this year, when the OCC gave banks approval to buy, sell, and manage crypto assets in their custody. This month, the Peter Thiel crypto bank Ariba became the first to earn a conditional federal charter, making it second to ever do so after Anchorage Digital. That's a Ripple partner, by the way. Further crypto-friendly banking developments were detailed this week when Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller said the Fed is exploring the issuance of skinny master accounts on an expedited timeline to firms that haven't been able to secure one. Master accounts, which are managed by federally chartered banks, provide access to the Fed and allow for direct payments. Historically, crypto institutions have tried but have ultimately failed to earn them. This so-called skinny master accounts would come with some limitations, but not including the privilege of interest payments on account balances or overdraft protection. Earlier this year, Crypto.com relaunched its institutional exchange amid renewed crypto regulatory optimism in the US with the return of the Trump administration. The firm is also making a play in prediction markets, though it was hit with a regulatory setback earlier this month when Nevada judge ruled against an injunction request. See what's going on here, guys. It's all developing, see. Now Crypto.com wants to be a bank, like a super app. Well, it's a bit like Coinbase. You know, now Coinbase is doing payments and stuff, right? Partnered with Circle and stuff like that. Crypto.com seems to be doing the same thing. They got their own Visa debit card thing, so you can load your crypto onto the debit cards, you can make payments, and then now they want to be like a bank. You know, it's very interesting, you see. So I'm developing. That's why I'm trying to show you all this stuff, you know. Coinbase is doing it. Coinbase is partnered with BlackRock. You know what I mean? A lot of crypto exchanges, they're going to either be shut down, or they're going to turn into banks, or they're going to be bought out by banks. You know, I think that they do Crypto.com, they're doing this to survive, you know, because they know that the crypto now is not gonna, it's gonna be different in the future, you know. You know, people aren't just gonna be buying crypto in the future like how they're buying it now, you know. It'll be a lot more regulated, you know. So these are the fundamentals I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to show you that the development of the financial system, you know, that's how you get rich. So anyway, if you're looking to buy a crypto, do check out Caleb and Brown. I'll put a link in the description. They have institutional grade custody available, and you get your own personal private broker. It's free to sign up. They're probably the best crypto exchange in the world because they use Fireblocks security, so it's solid, you know. You can get all your XRPs and your XLM and XDC from Caleb and Brown. I'll put a link in the description for you. Anyway, Crypto Mastermind out.